Hi, my dear students, welcome back to my ఛానల్. టుడే సెషన్ ఏ యాక్చువల్గా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలామంది అడుగుతున్నారు కదా, ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎట్లా అప్లై చేయాలనేసి. అందుకని మీకు టైం వేస్ట్ కాకుండా నేను మ్యాక్సిమం 3 పేపర్స్ చూపిస్తున్నాను మీకు. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ విధంగా రాయండి, మీకు కంపల్సరీ 75 వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, దెన్ విల్ గెట్ 75 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 75 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ న్యూ వన్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్ అండ్ షేర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, ఎస్, straight lines first question, right? In 2 marks, find the ratio in which the straight line divide the line joining the points 0, 0 and -2, 1. ఓకే, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ రాలేదు అని రాదు. ఓకే, నెంబర్స్ మారచ్చు, ఈక్వేషన్ మారచ్చు, పాయింట్స్ మారచ్చు. ఓకే, అయితే యాక్చువల్గా డివైడ్స్ రేషియో ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా? -L11/L22. హియర్ మైనస్ నాట్ దేర్, హియర్ మైనస్ దేర్. ఓకే, మైనస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, L11/L22 అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? AX1 + BY1 + C AX2 + BY2 + C. Okay, x1 y1 this point, x2 y2 the second point. Here a is 2, b is 3, c is -5. Got it? అర్థమైందా? మనకి లైన్లో అటు సైడ్ ఉంది కదా, అది తీసుకురావాలి, మన లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తీసుకురావాలి. గట్ ఇట్? లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, లైక్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ -5:6 రేషియో హియర్ asking, right? That's why -5:x. Yes, the next question is find the equation of the straight line passing through the points. Okay, 2 points given, right? Then you should find the equation of the straight line. Then what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? Y minus y1 equal to m means here slope of given points, x minus x1. Okay, then simplify them, you will get the value. Okay, here a square minus b square formula. Okay, here 2 common them, here cancel t1 minus t2, that's why t1 plus t2 is there, cross multiply them, you will get the value. Okay, next, here 3 vertices are given and 4, 2, 2 is a centroid of a tetrahedron. Then find the fourth vertex. Okay, here find out here fourth vertex. Okay, then I'm taking, suppose taking x, y, z fourth vertex. Okay, then what is the formula of centroid? Yes, what is the formula of centroid? Yeah, you know that tetrahedron, that's why here x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 4. Okay, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 4 by 4, right? Just apply them, centroid, equate them. X coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate, like that. Okay, yeah, see. Okay, this is a point. Here actually another point also there. Okay, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4, right? Yeah. Yes, next question, same, reduce the equation plane to the normal form. Okay, find out the normal form. Yes, normal form, how to find? Yes, x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 6. Okay, minus 6 is there, then first convert, send them right hand side constant. Okay, then what is the formula? Root of x1 square, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, here what is a? 1, b is 2, means coefficients. Okay, see here, a is 1, b is 2, c is -3. Okay, yes, now a by root of a square, b square, c square, b by root of, like this answer, root 14. Okay, here -3 by root 14 equal to 6 by root 14. Why root 14? Both sides we are dividing this number. Okay, root of a square plus b square plus c square. That's why we get the value. Normal form. Okay, same method only is straight line also. Okay, yes. Next, limits. Yeah, first here any root is there, then rationalize them. Okay, rationalize them, then apply them the value. Okay, 0. Limit extends to 0, right? That's why. Root term is there, then rationalize them compulsory. Okay, next one. Yeah, limit extends to infinity. Here limit extends to infinity is there, that's why x cube. Here highest power common them. Okay, here x cube is there, that's why x cube common them. Then we'll get the 11 minus 3 by x square. Yeah, we are dividing x cube, right? That's why dividing x square here. Okay, 4 by x cube, like this. Okay, then what is the limit extends to infinity means? 1 by x square or 1 by x, whatever terms there, it tends to 0. Okay, that's why this terms all will be 0. What is the answer? 11 by 13. Got it? It's the most important problem. Okay, listen, limit extends to infinity, all problems like that only. Okay, highest power term common them, highest variable term common them. Okay, this is the procedure. Next, yeah, 7, 8 problems are derivatives. Okay, here first derivative here asking log of is there, then what is the answer? Log derivative is, log derivative is 1 by x, right? That's why 1 by secant plus tan x, then divide x of secant x plus tan x, right? Now again secant x derivative is what? Secant x tan x. Tan x derivative is what? Secant square x, right? Then here secant x common them in this numerator. Okay, this is the numerator only. Secant x common them, then secant x plus tan x. Then denominator is also that, right? That's why cancel them, get the value secant x. Okay, that is the first derivative of the given function. Okay, understood chain rule. Yeah. Next, cos inverse of is there, right? Then here x equal to, suppose x equal to cos theta I'm taking. Why? Because here formula is what? Cos 3 theta formula. Here is here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, that's why I'm taking x equal to cos theta. Then apply them simply. That is cos theta cancelled 3 theta. What is theta here? We are taking here x equal to cos theta, right? Then theta is what? Cos inverse x. That's why here 3 cos inverse x. Yeah. Now find out derivative. Derivative x of cos inverse x is what? 1 minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here 3 is there now already. That's why 3 by 30. Got it? Okay. Suppose yes, inverse is there. Suppose tan inverse. Okay. Whatever problem is there, then you should do like this method. Okay. Should remember all formulas. Okay, 1b formulas and 1a formulas also I kept in this channel. Okay, once check that formulas also. Okay, yes, delta x and given delta y and dy should find. Okay, here what is the formula? Delta y, f of x plus delta x minus f of x, right? Then simply apply them in the f of x. See, x square, whenever x is there, then you can write x plus delta x. Okay, see, x plus delta x whole square plus 3x. X is what? Here x plus delta x. That's why x plus delta x write down plus 6 minus f of x is this, no? That's why minus of that terms. Okay, x plus delta x, what is x? 10 plus this, that's why 10 point, like that every point apply them, you get the value. Okay, yeah, directly here given value, just simplify them, then you will get the value. Okay, dy is what? f dash x into delta x. Okay, this the derivative is 2x plus 3, right, into delta x. Delta is given 0.01, then multiple them, we will get the value. Okay, this one 9th bit and 10th bit. Here this year Rolle's theorem is removed, right? That's why here tangent normal or application derivative problems, 2 marks questions, it will change. Okay, then 10th bit it will be changed. Okay, here's another question, another paper I'm showing. Same, find the equation straight line passing through minus 2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. See, non-zero intercepts means here a plus b equal to 0, right? Intercept form is what? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, a plus b equal to 0 is given, right? Sum is 0. That's why here given a plus b equal to 0. Then b equal to what? Minus a. Then b plus you can apply minus a. Got it? Then x minus y equal to a, take an LCM, right? X minus y equal to a. Here point is given, passing through the point is minus 2 comma 4, right? Then apply them here simply, minus t minus 4 equal to a, then a equal to minus 6. This a value, apply them in this equation, you will get the value, equation of the required line. Got it? Whose sum is 0 or ratio given. Okay, here 3 types of questions there, right? Is any one question, it will be compulsory, tomorrow it will be paper. Okay, compulsory should practice like that. Interceptive form is there, then like this. Okay, straight lines 2 question, right? Next, find the distance between parallel straight lines. Yeah, parallel lines here given 3x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0, 6x plus 8y minus 1 equal to 0, right? Then here parallel lines means what? Compulsory equal, like coefficients equate them. Okay, here 3 6 is there, here 4 8 is there. That's why here you can multiply by 2, first equation. Okay, then you will get the 6x plus 8y minus x equal to 0, and second line is 6x plus 8y minus 1 equal to 0, right? What is the formula? Yes, you can write formula. Okay, compulsory formula, 1 mark. Okay, what is the formula? Right, modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Okay, what is the formula? c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Modulus is there, don't forget. Okay, yeah, this is the formula. Next, reduce the equation normal. See, compulsory it will be normal. Okay, just I'm showing here is a question what is this model papers. Okay, compulsory question is there, one question. Okay, in that plane. Okay, root of a square plus b square plus a square, divide them on both sides, you will get the value. Most easy, simple easy, right? Yeah, see. Okay, next question. Yes, how to find out this value? Yes, first, yeah, write the like this. Okay, e power x minus 1 by x equal to 1, right? You know this formula. Okay, तो बच गए. Okay, e power 7x minus 1 by x. Yeah, here 7 is there compulsory. Whatever here e power is there, see, once observe this formula, e power x, here down x is there, right? Whatever x coefficient is there, compulsory down also you can, that time only it will be 1. Okay, here 7x is there, here down 7 not there, right? That's why multiply and divide by 7. Then what is the answer? Our answer is 7. Got it? Okay. Next, yeah, here root is there, compulsory root terms is there, then yeah, rationalize them. Yes, opposite sign. Yes, yes, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, right? Yeah, simply cancel 1 by this. Yeah, limit extends to infinity is there. What to do? Yes, limit extends to infinity means 1 by x comma 1 by x square, whatever 1 by x terms are there, it will be 0, right? Then convert them like that. Okay. Yeah, here down root x common them. Okay, root x common them, then 1 by root x, here we can write 1 plus 1 by x plus x. Why? Because here 1 by root x common, right? That's why 1 by x will be. Okay, then what is the answer? 0. Why? Because 1 by x, one limit extends to infinity is there, now 1 by x tends to 0, right? That's why 0 by anything is 0, right? Yeah, understood? Yes, next question. Yeah, fourth vertex again asking. Yeah, fourth vertex very important. Got it? Okay, numbers will be changed. Okay, centroid is given. Then find out the fourth vertex. Okay, most important method model. Okay, here first find out the derivative. dy by dx. Yeah, how to find? See, chain rule. X first power is there, then convert x square like that you can take, then 2x, right? Then d by dx of cot inverse of x cube. Yeah, again you take here x cot inverse x derivative. What is the cot inverse x derivative? Yes, yeah, find out all formulas. Okay, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here root not there. Okay, mention here. Okay, d by dx of x cube is there. Simple, right? Yeah, simplify them. Okay, this is a chain rule. Okay, compulsory chain rule. One question will be in your paper. Okay. Next, yes, e power 2x log of 3x plus 4. Yes, two functions are there. Then UV formula apply them. Yes. Next, yes, delta x given delta y and dy. You know, delta x and dy is the most important compulsory one question. Okay. Yeah, you can write the formulas now only without seeing. F of x plus delta x minus f of x, right? Dy equal to f dash x into delta x. Okay. This is the method. Yes. Next, 10th problem, it will be changed here. Rolle's theorem not there present now. Okay. Then application of derivatives, tangent, normal, any question will be in your paper. Yes, third paper I'm showing. See, when the equation, the straight line passing through the parallel lines. Yeah, what is the one line is given parallel line? How can write? Yes, ax plus bx by plus c equal to 0, then ax plus by plus k equal to 0 you can write. Okay, then passing through this line, then we get the value k value. Yeah, apply them given line. Okay, parallel. Got it? Suppose perpendicular line is given, then simply write 3x minus 2y plus k equal to 0. Got it? Yes, then apply them this point, you will get the value k, then apply them in this line. Got it? Okay, find the value of p. Yes, given lines are concurrent, then y plus 2 equal to 0, then y equal to minus 2, right? X equal to minus p. You apply them, you will get the value, p value. Okay. Next, collinear. Yeah, how to find out collinear? See, length of AB, length of BC, length of AC. Find out. Then you can write here any two sides. Suppose length. See, suppose any two lengths same here. 3 root 11. Here root 11. You got here under 1 more 2 root 11 is there, right? Then you need to add them two sides, length of sides. Then we will get another side. That is collinear. Okay. Collinear means what? Yes, simply you can say collinear means here same line. It is a 3 ABC is given, no? 3 points lie in a same line. Okay, means AB plus BC plus AC. Any two sides add them, third side will be. Okay, that is called collinear. Okay, find the direction cosines of the normal to the plane. Direction cosines. Yes, DC should find plane normal 1 comma 2 comma 2, right? Here coefficients, then simply 1 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, that are DC's, DR's, DC's. Okay, next ax minus 1 by bx minus 1. Yeah, Here formula, you can write formula ax minus 1 is there, by x not there, that's why divide by x and x. Then what is the formula? Log a to the base c, or log a by log b, you can write, no problem. Then you get the value log a to the base b. Okay. Yes, here total 10 formulas are there, just revise them. Okay. Yes, next one, yeah, e power x minus 1 by x is there, then how to do? Yes, just split them. Ex minus 1 by x minus sin x by x, this is the 1, this is also 1, right? Then separate it, then you get the value 0, right? Yeah, here dy by dx, first derivative, simple first derivative. Yes, here also second inverse, here like this there na. Then you can write here second inverse is there, how to cancel inverse function before, right? That's why you can write here, take cos theta. Okay, in this formula 2 cos theta minus 1 is, yes, cos 2 theta, 1 by cos 2 theta is secant theta, then cancel 2 theta. What is theta? Cos inverse x. Then what is the derivative? 1 by root of 1 minus x square, like this. Okay. Next, ninth one, root 82. Yeah, root 82 approximate value, right? Then you can write plus 1, delta x is what? Error is 1, right? Plus 1. Then what is the formula? Approximate value, f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Okay. Yeah, f of x is what? X plus delta x. Okay. Then apply them this value. Okay, already explained in another video. Okay, you can write here given values, just simply equal the value. Okay, 9.056. okay, yeah, these are questions 2 marks, lengthy video, but 3 papers you can compulsory, you will get 20 out of 20. Okay, yeah, okay, all the best.